Before we go to the flooded forest, let's just try and kill ourselves more of these things, because I really do want some more parts to get better armor. So let's just do that. Oh, splendid. And a few useful skills I would want, since I'm always using a hammer. Just like, there we go. Alright, what are you doing now? Don't really have anything new at the moment. Alright, I need to stop, whenever I'm on the menu, I need to stop bloody pressing the Z key, or the Z button, or whatever the fuck. There's this weird thing where it wants to give you the pointer, but it doesn't even work. Well, it doesn't work on my end because I'm so close to the bloody sensor bar. But anyway, let's just go and try and farm myself some Rhinopolis parts, because it's going to be really useful to use. Is his armor basically is useful to fight against the next boss fight that we're going to be in. Alright, let's go. Nope, we don't need any more of this. I can eat it now. Get that out of the way. There we go. There's this weird noise that keeps happening whenever you're near the camp. Don't know what that is. Yeah, that one. That weird noise. And when I found out that there was a fucking Aptonoth right here in the background, I was like so blown away. I was like, whoa. There's a sleeping animal right next to where I was sleeping. Just really random. Really? You only get like one Rhinopolis in this way? Fucking missed as well. There we go. Anyway, Slover is gonna be so much easier. The way he just twitches when it dies. And it's all just gonna be raw meat, I'm guessing. It's gonna be annoying as hell. There's usually like a gathering spot where you can get bugs. Could really use for some carpenter bugs at this moment in time. Well, not right now. Alright, Area 4 should have enough of them. Oh yeah, holy shit, there's a lot of them. Oh yes, just fucking bounce. I'll go for this guy here because he has... There we go. Bloody double stun. Oh my god, look at the synchronization on this guy. Oh god, this is gonna hit me. It doesn't do too much damage. And more raw meat, man. I need more of his parts. Oh, there goes Cha-Cha dancing. Oh god, you disrupted his dancing, you prick. I waited a whole decade for him to do that. Uh-oh. Don't want to do that. Oh, I just slam. No. They do hit each other. And when they do, they get stunned. They're so synchronized. Look at them. Oh, there we go. And now both of them are stunned. That's good. There we go. You're just gonna need one more, and that's it. There's always fucking monster bones, dude. I need more of their parts. And fucking raw meat. Oh, there we go. It only took a couple of more kills to try to just get this one part. I should have brought my barbecue spit because this armor set really helps you out in getting like raw meat. Oh, well, not raw meat, it's like well done steaks. And just one of them. Although we only need just like one more to kill. Oh my god. There we go, and then one more hit. Jesus Christ. There we go. My god, that was the most tedious last kill I've ever had in my life. The most tedious. Well, at least that thing stopped my animation. Alright, we should have enough time to kill that thing over there. We should have enough time to kill him. If I don't stop fucking bouncing would be great. There we go. Come on, we can do this. Oh god, bloody hate this whenever you're just trying to get just one more carve. It's all shit. I think I'm gonna have to do this quest a lot more times just to get more of the parts from. Really, look at this. The carbs are terrible. Absolutely terrible. A new type of weapon. Oh, it's the switch axe. Alright. Oh, but you're gonna need to get more parts from it. Alright, I'll try and grind some more stuff to try and get that. But for now, we're just trying to do one more quest. Wait, hang on. Hang on. I just want to see what kind of items we need to craft that. 5 iron ore. Well, you know what? I think I might be able to do that on this next quest. I think I might be able to do that. Let's see if we've got enough pickaxes. Alright, so while we're finding the loot drops, we might as well just get more iron ore to try and get that switch axe. Because it's so strange, the first time you get to use that weapon, you have to unlock a certain amount of quests to get it. But at least it's novel because this is the first game that it was introduced to, so it'll be some sort of an eventful thing to get. And here we go, there's the Flooded Forest, another map that's going to come and rise. Cannot wait. Like honestly, the way they redesigned it looks way different from the map we've got here. Alright, let's go. And I do distinctly remember that there is a... Oh, they don't have it. That's cheap. Look. This is supposed to be the shortcut to get to Area 6. That's annoying. Oh well. Oh well. How many more of these logos do we need to kill? 7 of them. Oh my god. Well, there's one of them. I might as well just try and explore around. And just as I was about to hit him, he fucking hits me as well. Nice, got power, that's good. Let's try and get some carves off of that. Remember in Area 8 that's where all the mining spots are. Oh, what? I'm just blocking all the fun paths. That sucks. Oh well. It's gonna be so different going to the flooded forest completely in HD and without any swimming portions to the game. Not swimming portion, what the fuck am I talking about? Underwater areas is what I'm trying to say. That's it. Only bloody took me a while to try and say what I need to say. Jesus Christ. Yeah, how can you call it a flooded forest in Rise if like there's no areas to swim in? Although it is quite murky here, so I can't really knock the game too much for not having any swimming portions because I don't really particularly miss it. Right. Area 4 is we're gonna go fight the Royal Ludroth. So that should be fun. Oh, really? Don't you dare move. There we go. Oh, there's another one. Oh god, I lost all the stamina. I didn't even hit anything from that. Let's see if I can kill this thing just whacking my Wiimote. Oh yeah, I did. Can you imagine doing a full playthrough of this game just by wagging the Wiimote around? That would be just the most awkward thing ever. A bitter bug. It would be cool if I could get like a killer beetle. I think that's the only way you can get that thing from this game. In this map here. All I'm getting is flash bugs. Oh my god, that was terrible. Alright, let's just keep going. Oh, catfish. Well, they're not catfish anymore. In like the future games, they call themselves Geijus. In World. That's what their names are. Oh, this is interesting though. And I like the fact that those are the only fishes that were returning into future games. You got sharks in this game, but they don't really come back. Alright, where are all the Ludroths? I need my Ludroths. This portion here, Area 5, Area 3, and Area 6 have been completely changed in port because they don't really have any underwater combat there as well. Oh, finally, we got some iron ore. Only took a while, but yo. Should be able to get enough iron ore for the switch axe, but if not, then I might as well just do that on my off time. Oh, Church has got something. Yeah, so you can't really worry too much about losing your oxygen in this game because there's just so many points where you can just replenish it. Are there no mining areas here? There should be more. I reckon all of it's just in Area 6. Oh, that's just the first Ludroth I've seen in ages. Look at me. Let's try not get hit too many times. As I fucking save out, I immediately get hit. Typical. Oh, you fucking got me through that. Oh my god, I am just getting absolutely demolished. Hang on, hang on. Time out, time out. I cannot for the life of me see what the hell's going on. And the amount of blood... The amount of blood you see on the screen, holy crap. Cannot see or do anything right now. Come on. Just gotta position myself quickly. Oh, you fucking asshole. Come on. There we go. Nope, that's not it. There we go. Oh hell yeah, we got ourselves a mining area. Nice. Got that out the way, and then let's see if we can get 3 more iron ore. That's all I need. That's all I need. That's 1. No, I don't need that. Aqua gel. I wouldn't need it, but I've got enough space for it. Oh wait, I do have iron ore. Holy shit, that's great. I don't want to waste my fucking raw meat. Oh my god, that's another bonus of this fucking armistice, that you can like keep the map going without actually having the map in the chest. What is it? Can't really find it. Oh, fast sight. There we go. That's the skill. And I'm sorry if I keep swearing all the time. It's just natural in me to just... Oh my god, there's still a lot of them. How many do I need to kill? What the fuck? I only need 1, and here I am swearing again. Oh gracious. Oh, this part of the map is so beautiful. I love it. And I like the fact that at that point over there in the blue water, that's where it has its own secret soundtrack, which I like. Can't wait to fight the Juratotus in this map. And if you'd be so kindly as to launch yourself here, it'd be great. Just gonna focus on that. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Please get away from me, clown. Oh, so many oh, well. They done it again. They done it again. They killed their buddies again. What the fuck? This is the second time we've done a loot drop quest and they killed their own friends. You lot are absolutely incompetent. But that's pretty much it. That's the flooded forest for you. We haven't really been exploring around too much, but we do what we can. We do what we can, and this is the part of the map that's got like a lot of these mining points. Which is quite a shame that we won't be able to get any. See, look, there's like 2 of them already. Some stone. Earth crystals. Macalite, we're just gonna need more of these. Oh, won't be able to get anything. Well, that's the flooded forest for you. Quick taste of the past. And when March 26 comes, we'll be able to see the updated version. Oh, now I got myself a killer beetle. It's like the only killer beetle I've ever seen in a while. Alright, let's go get ourselves that switch axe. Some guy got this game for the first time back in 2010 or 2008, whatever time this bloody game was released. Oh my god, I only need 1 more. Are you serious? Oh, for goodness sake. Alright, well, I think we should just wrap this up. We'll wrap this up, and in the meanwhile, I'm going to try and kill this Metronopus as much as possible. And then, when I'm ready, we'll be able to fight this dude. We'll be able to fight the Kurpecker. Until next time, see you later.